Hi, I'm Jacob from Savant. In this video, we're comparing the Formula tool in Alteryx with the Transform tool in Savant, which makes updating fields, writing formulas, and handling transformations straightforward. In Alteryx, the Formula tool lets you create or update columns using expressions. You can write conditional statements, combine fields, and perform somewhat complex calculations. While powerful, it can feel complex for new users and often requires pairing with other tools for tasks like changing data types or hiding columns. In Savant, the Transform tool lets you update existing fields or create new ones directly. To update a field, start by clicking the Update Original Field button. Let's use the proper function to format first names correctly. I'll wrap the field value in the proper function and click Confirm to save my updated column. You can see the updated values in the preview window. Savant also has an awesome feature that allows you to work in a more data-centric view. You can either double-click on a tool or click Maximize at the top of the preview panel to open a tab view of your configuration window. This presents the tool's configuration panel on the left side of your screen and a data preview on the right side of your screen. We can easily navigate back to the canvas using the familiar tab navigation at the top of the canvas. If you need a new column, click Add Column, add a new column name, and type your formula into the expression box. You can also browse the built-in functions drop-down or open the functions guide for a full list of available functions. Click Confirm to save. Savant Copilot takes it a step further by allowing you to describe the transformation or formula you want in plain natural language, and it will generate the formula for you. I'll click to add a new column and use the radio button at the top of the configuration to navigate to Savant Copilot. Let's prompt the Copilot to create a field with the customer's first name and last name in proper case. Click Ask Savant and Copilot will provide its best suggested function. If we agree with Copilot, we can click Confirm and instantly see the results at the beginning of our table in the preview. The Transform tool also includes functionality often found in Alteryx's Select tool. We can change data types using this dropdown, rename columns, reorder columns, and hide fields. The Transform tool also includes multi-row functions. Let me show you how it works using the city field in our data, which looks like it's missing a few values. To fill down these missing city values, click the Update Original Field button next to the city field and use the radio buttons at the top of the window to switch to multi-row mode. From the dropdown, I can select the Fill function, and let's select the city field as the argument. I'll click Confirm again and view the updated column in the preview. Another powerful feature is the Transform order, which keeps track of every change you make. You can view the exact sequence of transformations, reorder them, and control the precise order in which your operations are applied. While the Alteryx Formula tool has its place, Savant's Transform tool brings formula creation, field updates, select style functions, and multi-row capabilities together in a single, streamlined experience, making transformations faster and easier.